What's up, guys? If you want stunning adventure footage, an action camera is your best pick. With 4K clarity, powerful stabilization, and waterproof durability, it captures every moment smoothly. Perfect for travel, sports, and vlogging, it delivers pro-quality videos anywhere. Lightweight, tough, and reliable, an action camera makes every adventure unforgettable. So, let's get started. Number 6 is Extra Pro 4K Vlogging Action Camera. The Extra Pro Action Camera packs incredible performance at just $349, making it a must-have for adventurers and vloggers. Its large 1/1.3 sensor captures stunning clarity in any lighting, while 4K 60 FPS recording delivers cinematic smoothness. Film confidently at night with night view mode and dive up to 65 feet without a case. With advanced stabilization like 360 lock and tilt guard, every shot stays steady. This camera brings pro-level quality to every journey, effortless, powerful, and ready for action. The next is number 5. GoPro Hero 13 Black, the ultimate waterproof action camera. The GoPro Hero 13 Black is the latest powerhouse in action cameras, delivering 5.3K 60 video and 27MP photos with unmatched durability. Designed for creators who demand top-tier performance, it features new HB series lenses, a longer-lasting battery, and advanced connectivity options. Key features: best-in-class video and photo quality. Shoot ultra-smooth 5.3K 60 videos and stunning 27MP stills with CMOS sensor technology. Legendary durability, waterproof and built to withstand extreme conditions. New HB series lenses, enhanced optical clarity for sharper, more vibrant footage. Extended battery life, more power for longer recording sessions. PackTalk Edge features: music sharing and phone/GPS connectivity, over-the-air software updates, fast charging and intuitive control wheel. Compact and user-friendly, features a 2.27-inch touchscreen for easy navigation. Versatile storage and formats, supports microSD cards and records in MP4 format. Perfect for every adventure. Whether you're diving underwater, biking down rugged trails, or capturing fast-paced action, the HERO 13 Black ensures professional-grade results. With fast aperture f/2.0 and a 34mm focal length, it excels in low-light conditions. Upgrade your creative toolkit with the GoPro HERO 13 Black, the ultimate action camera for adventurers and content creators alike. The next is number 4. Apexcam 4K Action Camera, ultimate sports and vlogging companion. Capture every adventure in stunning detail with the Apexcam Action Camera. Whether you're vlogging, biking, or diving, this feature-packed sports camera delivers Ultra HD 4K, 60 FPS video, 48MP photos, and an included 64GB microSD card, making it perfect for action enthusiasts and content creators. Key features: 4K, 60 FPS, and 48MP high-resolution recording. Equipped with 6-layer optical glass lenses, the Apexcam captures crisp 4K, 60 FPS videos, and 48MP photos, ensuring lifelike clarity and smooth motion. 8x digital zoom and 64GB microSD card included. Get closer to the action with 8x digital zoom, perfect for capturing distant landscapes. The included 64GB microSD card ensures ample storage for all your adventures. Wi-Fi and 2.4G remote control 15 meters range. Connect via the Live DV app for instant preview and control. The 2.4G remote 15 meters range allows hands-free operation, ideal for solo shooters. Note: remote is not waterproof. Driving mode and pre-record function. Use as a motorbike or dash cam with auto record on power on and 5-second pre-record to never miss a moment. 170 degrees wide angle and multi-function modes. The 170 degrees ultra-wide lens with distortion correction captures expansive scenes. Features time-lapse, loop recording, burst photos, and slow motion for creative flexibility. This 4K action camera is a versatile, high-performance camera for sports, vlogging, and outdoor adventures. With 4K, 60 FPS, 8x zoom, Wi-Fi control, and multiple shooting modes, it's a budget-friendly powerhouse for capturing life's most thrilling moments. The next is number 3. DJI Osmo Action 3 Outdoor Combo Ultimate 4K 120fps Adventure Camera. For adrenaline junkies and outdoor enthusiasts, the DJI Osmo Action 3 Outdoor Combo is a powerhouse 4K 120fps action camera built to capture stunning, ultra-smooth footage in any environment. With HDR video, extreme durability, and long battery life, it's the perfect companion for extreme sports, underwater adventures, and hands-free filming. Key features: 4K HDR video with 1 billion colors. Experience vivid, true-to-life footage with 10-bit color depth, capturing over 1 billion colors. HDR ensures balanced exposure, even in high-contrast lighting, for professional-grade results. Horizon Steady Stabilization. Whether skiing, biking, or skydiving, Horizon Steady keeps footage smooth and perfectly level, eliminating shakes and tilts for cinematic quality videos. Extreme battery life and cold resistance. Record up to 160 minutes on a single charge, even 150 minutes in freezing temps -20 degrees Celsius / -4 degrees Fahrenheit, making it ideal for winter sports and long expeditions. Waterproof to 16 meters, no housing needed. Dive deep without extra gear. Waterproof up to 16 meters, 52 feet, perfect for snorkeling, surfing, and underwater exploration. Outdoor Combo includes essential accessories. Comes with 2 batteries, a chest strap mount, backpack strap mount, and quick release mounts for hands-free POV shots while hiking, cycling, or climbing. Quick vertical mounting. Switch between horizontal and vertical shooting in seconds with the innovative magnetic mount, ideal for social media content. The DJI Osmo Action 3 Outdoor Combo is a rugged, high-performance action camera with 4K 120fps, Horizon Steady Stabilization, and unbeatable battery life. Whether you're diving, skiing, or biking, it delivers smooth, vibrant footage in the toughest conditions. Adventure-ready and built to endure, capture every epic moment with DJI. The next is number 2. GoPro Hero Compact Waterproof 4K Action Camera for Adventure. The GoPro Hero is the smallest and lightest 4K action camera from GoPro, designed for hassle-free recording while delivering ultra-smooth, high-quality footage. Whether you're diving, biking, or capturing everyday moments, this compact yet powerful camera ensures stunning visuals with minimal effort. Key features: ultra-compact and waterproof design. Tiny yet rugged, the GoPro Hero is waterproof up to 16 feet 5 meters without a housing, making it perfect for swimming, snorkeling, and rainy adventures. Its super lightweight build ensures easy portability. 4K Ultra HD video and stunning photos. Shoot crisp 4K videos, immersive photos, and slow-motion clips with just a press of the shutter button. The 15mm lens and f/2.8 aperture capture wide-angle shots with excellent clarity. Hypersmooth stabilization. No shaky footage here. Hypersmooth technology automatically smooths out bumps and vibrations, delivering cinematic quality videos without a gimbal. Easy controls and cloud upload. With streamlined one-touch recording, capturing adventures is effortless. Plug in to charge, and your footage auto-uploads to the cloud, where the GoPro Quick app turns it into shareable highlight reels. MicroSD and USB connectivity supports microSD cards for expandable storage and features USB connectivity for quick transfers. The GoPro Hero is the perfect compact, waterproof action camera for adventurers who want 4K video, hypersmooth stabilization, and effortless sharing, all in a tiny, durable package. Capture, share, and relive your best moments with GoPro. The next is number 1. AKASO Brave 8 Lite, the ultimate waterproof action camera for 4K adventures. The AKASO Brave 8 Lite is a powerful waterproof action camera that delivers 4K 60fps Ultra HD video, making it perfect for adventurers and content creators. Packed with advanced features, this camera ensures stunning visuals, smooth stabilization, and rugged durability. Key features: 4K 60 FPS UHD video. Powered by the Amberella chip and a 7G lens, the Brave 8 Lite captures ultra-crisp 4K 60 FPS videos and 20MP photos. With HDR recording, it enhances highlights and shadows for more natural, vibrant footage. Latest super smooth stabilization. The 2-in-1 stabilization combines built-in anti-shake hardware with an auto-smoothing algorithm from the mobile app, ensuring buttery smooth videos. The upgraded hyperlapse feature allows for stunning time-lapse shots without needing a stabilizer. Waterproof to 33 ft10m without a case. Built with aluminum alloy and PC plastic, this camera is rugged and waterproof up to 33 ft10m. With the included waterproof housing, it can dive up to 131 ft40m, perfect for snorkeling and deep-sea adventures. Dual screen for easy self-recording. The 2.0-inch rear touchscreen and wristband remote control makes self-recording and vlogging effortless. Whether you're biking, surfing, or hiking, framing the perfect shot is quick and easy. The AKASO Brave 8 Lite is an excellent choice for adventurers who demand high-quality 4K video, superior stabilization, and waterproof durability, all at an affordable price. Capture every moment in stunning detail with this feature-packed action camera. So this is the best option for you to buy.